Alright, I'm going to walk through doing drawing number 36. You have the paper, follow along. I'm trying this out to see if it is easier for you guys. So I'm going to start by opening up my blank one. I'll go File, Save As. Alright, I'm going to name it 36. 36. Double click to edit. $36. 10. Well, it'll be for Mars. 10-2. I think this is the 6th drawing, if I remember correctly. So that's updated. I'm going to go to Model. Alright, I want to draw in my object layer. I'm going to start by drawing a line. I'm going to start with my front view. I'm going to make an overall box and kind of cut some parts away. So 4 wide, 2.5 tall, 4, close it up, zoom in so it's easier to see. I'm going to turn my line weight on. Hopefully that makes it easier to see too. I'll dimension as I go. You can do the same or wait till the end to dimension. Some you'll have to move or redo if you dimension at the very beginning. Alright, so I have a rectangle for the overall size. Alright, this top angles down and then it angles back up. To get the angle right, I'm going to do two different things. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start a line in the corner. Alright, it tells me that it's 30 degrees from horizontal. So this is when I can type in the true length, or the true angle. For the length of the line, I'm just going to make it long so it's easier for me to trim back. So mine's a little over 4. I'm going to hit Tab, and then I can type 30 for the angle. Alright, to know when this stops angling down and will angle back up, I'm going to use Offset. I'm going to click that button. Alright, I'm going to tell it, on the paper it tells me from this corner to where it starts angling back up is 2.5. So I'm going to tell it 2.5. Then I'm going to select this line and click to the right. What that does is now it tells me I can trim this line back to it, because now where those two lines meet up is where it's going to angle up. On this side it says it's 30 degrees or 60 degrees from vertical. So if vertical is 90 and I subtract 60, I'm going to get 30. So I'm going to make it long again so I can trim it. Tab 30, and I will trim here. Alright, so I have my top section done. Now I'm going to do this far side, right side, bottom corner, however you want to think of it. Right, it doesn't go straight down, it's on a 15-degree angle in. So I'm going to make a line, start a line where I just stopped. Alright, straight down is 90. I want it 15 degrees past 90. So I'm going to have to add. So I'm going to hit Tab. 15 plus 90 is 105. I forgot. No, I got it. Again, if your line goes shooting off the screen, you forgot to hit Tab. I'm going to trim that back. Alright, and then on this corner there is a notch. So I'm going to draw a line up 0.75, because that's how tall the notch is. And the notch is going to come in 1 inch. Again, it doesn't go straight down, it's on an angle. Straight down is 90. I want it 15 degrees to this side of 90. So this time I have to subtract. So 90 minus 15 would be 75. So I hit tab, 75. I'm going to trim, trim, trim. Alright, this vertical line I can completely delete. This horizontal I can delete. And I'm going to trim that corner. Alright, this line I am going to delete, but I'm going to use it to dimension first. So let me go back to my dimension layer, linear. We got there. I'm actually going to use it to do my angular. Go. Alright, so I clicked angular, click this line, then click this line, and it gave me the 60 degrees. If I do I can do 60 here too. If you want to match the paper exactly, I actually should have dimensioned it before I deleted that line. So I'll add a line in super quick, just so I have something to measure from, and I can delete it. So I have those. Now this line I can get rid of. Angles on the bottom, I can label the 105 here. And I can label the 105 here. Again, they're both 15 degrees past 90. And linear. My 75. I got my inch, height, there. Alright, the front view is the hard part. There's a bunch of angles, a bunch of hidden tabs, things to trim. The side view is pretty simple. I'm going to line it up. Thickness is 1.5 inches. Alright, now it's just bringing lines over from corners. So this corner I would be able to see, so it's going to be an object line. Alright, these corners and this corner I won't be able to see, so those are going to be hidden. So bring that bottom, this corner. Alright, that's all the lines. So this is my top side, this one's this line, bottom of the valley, and then top of the notch. My top view, same basic thing. I'm going to line it up. It's going to be 1.5 inches thick because it's the same thickness as here. Bring it up, should be 4. Alright. This valley I can see, so that will be object. Now this one's going to have more hidden lines because stuff is kind of tucked underneath. So this bottom corner from the top I wouldn't be able to see, so it'll be hidden. This notch is on the bottom side, so I wouldn't be able to see it, so it'll be hidden. And then it's not straight down, it's angled, so I would need the bottom edge of that notch section. Alright, and then throw in a thickness dimension, and this one's all done. So once you have it done, just a reminder, click layout, double click, do zoom extents. Alright, if this toolbar isn't showing up, so let me make mine go away. If I go up here to view and click on navigation bar, it should come back up. And you should be able to click zoom extents, double click out. Now go to A, print, go here, KD 1200. Excuse me. And then you can print it. If you are one of my virtual kids, you're going to go to export. Try that again. I'm going to go to PDF. Alright. You'll select wherever you're saving. Again, thumb drive is going to be the easiest to transfer from one to the other. Name it. Again, it should automatically select .pdf. And then hit save. There we go. It's saved, and then you can load that into Classroom. I may try having everyone do it that way to save on paper or experiment. I don't know. Try something different. I kind of like being able to write on the drawing if at all possible. And I know I can kind of do that in a PDF. It's just not super easy. So, any questions, don't be afraid to shoot me an email or message or ask in class. All right, have a good day.